So I finally just got this guy here. I waited for a long time. I just finally got it now. The reason why I waited because I already know when this guy came out, the firmware updates and all that kind of stuff, I don't think it was ready. And, you know, having this guy here now and it's been out for a couple of months, it should be ready. So I'm just gonna go ahead and open this guy up for you guys, and I finally got it, and what to expect and what I think of this guy. And yeah, so if you didn't tune into my channel, I most likely have drones this size, like the Me Too, the Wingslands S6, and also the I call this the Mambo Parrot Mambo, and I also do I call this Xiaomi Me Too drone, and I also do the Mark drone, the Great Mark drone. If you guys did not see that, I have also that in my video. And the reason why I'm so interested of this because I like micro level, and also I don't really do cheap unboxing out there. I mean, I most likely has bottom sensors, outflow sensors, stuff like that, but I won't really like do any one of those cheap ones. But the reason why I like this stuff here because this is the drone that you're gonna be going places, and you want to take capture video, especially if you're gonna be around your family or anything like that. Well, anyways, I finally got it, and I'm gonna see what's all about and what I think of this guy. So what we got here, we got instruction, put that thing on the side, and we have this. In my impression, I don't know why, I mean, this thing is just so, seems like not strong enough. But we're gonna go ahead and see, maybe if I put it in the drone on this guy here, and it's gonna go ahead and maybe it's a little bit stronger. And here you go. Wow, it's pretty big. I thought it was a little bit smaller. So that's the upflow sensor here. You guys can see. All right. It shows the wirings. The propellers seems cheap. But we're gonna go ahead and see if we can use that. The battery seems very light. And what else it comes with? So it comes with this so it comes with this USB cable. All right, what else this guy comes with? You get extra props, extra propellers. That's a good thing. Oh man, they just put this thing stiff out here. It kind of look like a mouse. It only needs a tail. But anyway, let's go ahead and what else this guy is all about. I can't even get this. I'm having a hard time. Wow, that's very interesting. You just shove it in there. Anyways, I have to shove my finger all the way in there just to get this guy out of there. So this is the tools here. I think this is the one that you can just go ahead and take out the propellers. Very interesting. Classy. Yeah, so it looks huge compared to I think this is about the same size as Me Too, as you can see. So that's all the thing that comes with. So it comes with a battery, one battery, it comes with the USB cable, it comes with the propeller guards, And it also comes with extra propellers, and you get this instruction here. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, and share.